Okay. Do you hear me? Okay. My name is Alicia Tarín, and today I'm going to talk about a green marketing trend, the eco-superior phenomenon. But I like to remember the green marketing definition. If you read the definition, you can notice that the key word is changes. So in our green marketing involves changes. And what is the eco-superior phenomenon? The eco-superior phenomena are mainly those products or services that not only are eco-friendly, but also superior in relation to pollution in every possible way. Let's think in a combination of eco-friendly, superior, yet superior design, yet superior durability, or superior savings. But as I have just 4 minutes, let's continue with some real examples of these trends. This is the first hotel in North America, Wisconsin, with net zero energy consumption. It's a building, the Greenleaf Inn Hotel is a building where the electricity generated is superior than the electricity consumed. And for instance, you can find this kind of codes, places in all parts of the hotel to be informed about all the energy initiatives. Let's continue with Spain. As you know, Vitoria was the European green capital. Since then, more companies become eco. For instance, in Spain, in Vitoria, Eroski is working in the first supermarket that will not need electricity anymore. And let's give an opportunity to the automotive industry. This new car powered by an electric motor is a proof that environmental concern and a love for cars is by no means incompatible, because fortunately some companies are driving the change. And let's continue with another example. You know what? We suffer every day from a real and unfair drama. When suddenly your washing machine, your printer, or your computer, a piece of this breaks, and you call the technical assistance, always is the same answer. If I were you, madam, I'd buy a new one. So that's why I admire people who invent products that last. For instance, Philips has launched a new LED bulb that lasts nearly 23 years. It's incredible, isn't it? And another real drama for environment. Guess, do you know what is one of the daily acts less eco? But it's a superior necessity. I'm not joking, but yes, it's going to the toilet. Each time we use the toilet, the tank can spend between 10 or 4 liters of water each time. So fortunately, there are also brilliant minds that not only think in supercars or super buildings, but also think in small invents like a stealth toilet. It contains a system which each time uses only 3 liters of water. And as I work in an advertising agency, I'm going to talk about an example in which advertising is not the only guilty of every problem in this world. Peru is located in a desert, as you know, but they have 98% of humidity. So Peru's University of Technology and Engineering produces the first billboard that produces drinking water out of the air. In the first 3 months, it collected near 9,000 liters of drinkable water. And the last example is this gift made in Netherlands. It's confetti. It's made of biodegradable material that, with wildflower seeds. When the confetti is thrown, if it lands on fertile soil, it may grow into plant life, so it's very good. And in order to finish, I have to reveal a secret. I've chosen this issue to talk about because apart from their evident benefits, for me it's a strong weapon to fight against the eco-skeptics. Because, for instance, this study is not specific about eco-skeptics, but deals with social skeptics and our engagement with companies that uses corporate social responsibility. And as you can see, bravo for Portugal, for instance, but there is still much work to be done. And thank you for your attention.